azui wabul kulli bugalambia mun kurka jandere shombi bukali kulkul sabaram kum kusudum gaman ne yel shamo jonda del suyin til zamba shirna mo kundi sului so wabul kulli akan tampar katum tawbi bukari dalaga dabla ba sawbal da bulana yan damla bi bukari yakuri da dala ponte ba gudul bayo ndala bombo mena dul bayo nduta ba met ma dul bayo wala ambi sapuli
Good evening, Ghana, man for good evening. Me chill be our TV. Me den ebe kasande. Me chill be a man for unkokora for penyumfo ye mama mo ye sister mo ye brothers me chill be our Ghana. Anya Ghana kwa outside country be we are saying na me chill be our me any papa what me nchen papa we obia enim ni nana asampa if among for classing nana asampa wan kasa wuti dina efise hu say anokore papa no why bibia because if on ka asampa on confessa din emma emfa ma no ho nana asampa no so ono de obon krofo e na otizabzugu if o mse zabzugu another Jamaican or another region zabzugu so onti zabzugu na ankasa oti zabzugu akurase so mo fe hokupa egu oba ho na asampa ono oti ho nana no o hwe no sa nana no the first time near o e deben oba TV so a obia e deben ebe hunu no na asam na aba deben aba be si a oba TV so amanfo bebre aba TV so chide se omo de omo bua nkrofo omo ye de be omo bua nkrofo omo ye busonfo me ka cheo ja bibia brana asampa ho on me ka asama asampa if anyon no anipa bia ni obetima ye de be obetima ye ade a ope owi asade ama nana me cheo good evening nana na want to say yeah. Yeah, boko. How we serve it to Nana?
Everything is fine.
Everything is fine. Nana, I'm greeting you.
Everything is fine.
I'm greeting Nana. Nana. Zonguna. To zongalza dunia on. Pakat paga. I'm a Wilma. Willing Nana Sampa. Asampa ma Nana Wilma. Oh. Ya kan yele bula ka nan hale katazan ka YouTube na na safa
to abuaya so kam lere TV wozo nta won kan gba chu katare o lere ma won ji an ngoya pam dunia yile nchangale nchang Italy nchang Germany nku goma gal dunia yile to de meni bilma meni gina shere bukata shangata mayoma dang bukata nyele kale nyele to be chang mata bo etile te yanam ko nang la kazaite kata batiji sina ta pale so tanan tum de la yamangle bon pon kana ke ka kule ba mima kampon ku yelma pilgo bon civisho pilgo nyenwo yundo ma zon ka nyama pilgo mbela civisho mbwe bo emen dama nirba bor songsa mun be ku kola ne nirba farbam nda jimi yembe nan TV program dama ye to ashanga den chan mazo nirba kwalan farla nirba kay na bazwara na wona tebe bon dambar ka tenen kalen yale tenen ka to fa tenen sonde me te sonde me to te yemangle mazo ka nana asampama yina
nana anye to ashama onwomia amanfo nana asampa waka asam bebre o pa kire se onu nana asampa ne di no ba bia efiri na adwuma oye ema nkrofo enti na ye deben enti na ono ne deben omo nimpa ne de sa di ne ton so adwuma ono oye ema nkrofo on twantro on pentro ewa oni nanu on twantro o ka asam bia ya asampa on ena oka edi man krofo ena o pa kire se wanwun adwuma on oye no enye se okojiru efiri obi o efiri omo abusiamu ho efiri omo akasa abusiamu de efiri enti oni na asempa no nka omba TV so kura ba amonfo ajinkrofo bebre skadi ama Ghana for ama outside for omunsun adan man for adan me catch you creative no so na asampa ni number da so fa na freno o frena ade ape bibia be de be ono no obeko na bibia be kosu ide ama nana
to den lampe da gwan ma yele na gura kana mo para pa shi abia na ruma ber dole kama sopunfo kazanye yim zapayi ber dole kama sopun dego biala o enchame aguru kana mo para pa shi abia na ruma there is a saying that when you are running and you did not reach where you are, don't say you are tired, my brother and sister. Just come to me, come to Nana Asampa. You see real action. Kache kababaya ne dentenam ka incha TV wo yela no sonda kanan sane kayelma o yola artist susha karala fo za so kan kubu ka tamatu ko sui palege munen jo zo dapselo ngo kan ne jene ka solo bamba ne denen tiche kan GTV zo ngo.
Okay nana aka asama me ye debe me ma amanfo ye debe ebe hunu o say reason why I want to TV so amanfo ye pen no mo hwe ne nde amon ne kasara o pa kire say obi na aka obi ho ama nipa no ye debe on so yo konfo uwa nkasa unim nipa de if you say yo konfo de ankrofo e ba wasabo omo wako nipa na ko ne nche waji ni ska di kwa wanya ama no bari pon eti na asampa an kan no e wo zabzugu akura se no wa tu kwan wa tu na mo akọ ne nchen ama na asampa aya adwuma na ama no ama na adwuma akosi ye ena onu na tu ice se na asampa wa ya ade ama mi ama kuma ye debe ay fitanche pese wan kasa wo ye debe umbra TV so na ama umma amanfo ye debe ehu se if enye wo obi an obetuma aboa wo mi firi ha me beka house ama amanfo hunu manya mutani Ghana na so muku magana ku gani yo Ghana na asampa ya after daga zabzugo ne kauyen zabzugo yake na asampa na ina nan shi na tanyan mutane ne yo na ku gaci kan TV Ghana wani mutane na kan Ghana suna so kan TV suna ce su malamai ne suna tanyan mutane ne ba su yi abin da ba su yi wannan harkoki suna cin kudin mutane dade ba su komi su ba manyan mutane da su yi ankuri yo kana duba kan TV na ko nan number na asampa kai duba kai ka fita number shi ka kira shi na asampa har kana kake da duka fadi mishi na asampa shi ba shi ba wanda da tanye ka cikin duniya gaba na asampa yayi abin da ba ko be yi shi the last stop shi the first stop shi the last stop na asampa ba shi ba But one day, my brothers and sisters, I just want to explain something to you and you will understand. A person who is sitting behind of me, he is the great Nana Asampah. He's a powerful spiritual man who is helping people. How you see him today on the television, don't be afraid. He's here to help people. He's here to solve people's problems. If you are outside Ghana, UK, Italy, Nigeria, Africa, you text him or call him. He's the first stop and he's the last stop. If you have any spiritual problem, just contact him and explain to him, and your problem will solve. Otherwise, you will be failed. Come to Nana Asampah, and what you need, or all your problems in spirituality will solve in Nana Asampah. Nana Asampah.
Oh, the lampe. Mbone yele suluwa ka bang. Ne lare ka mal bor lare. Na regia ka na ruma. Lare ka mal bor lare. Ne soy bor lare ka kana man san. Ma ne no ne sham. En bola bi. Ko miro ke dane. Nte da bandara ma kana. Tuma ba kan tumle to. Ne man de tuma ma to. Yetin ban ne ko en pil arma tigo. Yetin ban man ko en pil arma tigo. Nzil arma hale. Ntena sang le kulom be shele. De ka kan nung to ka no jimpa go yata di. Ne den ka en zambang. Yel mang yar nyeman. Yelemba.
C'est amanfo Nana Asampah che adwuma oye. Ose obon krofo otime sika. Sika ni pa ehia sika because we are sad here upesika. Upesika wan ye de ba. O bra sika. O ya adwuma sika na ohia. Utima say we are sad here. Bibia be sika na be ye. Even kwa wo ya na if enye sika na be ebe je nkwan ya uniska wewu ena vikwa sese abusafo we panyina uniska obia eni e de enso da ena na Asampah pa kire se ono no obon krofo ewosika djuma mu if upesika kudi upe mali l'argent bra ono na Asampah ho l'argent ye fe no kudi ena esika mali bra na Asampah ono be yesika ma uji scanner or yes scanner waji scanner and yes o discard you go fie nukroma o betimi discard ade bia o be no to di aye ansana wa fa okrom ka akọ okrom ona na Asampah no o ba ne nche a o pe sika e fra instant money no sika o ba ne nche ona betima boa o ba e fi so kita sika na pe sika we asa the sika na pe sika me ka no kore oni sika dia on ti me boa if so so pesika kita sika na bra o ba ni ncha wona be boa o ma say if one kita sika ba dia ne sika be na on beto na mana ya adwuma ma enti o se fa sika bra o di sika ba on be boa ye koto ne mana ba nkura no ono be sma nkura o wa no nkura ho nkura no gba koto ne mana ba e wo dwam no da ya adwuma na ma ana wo ankasa wo di sika ba no obe yi ono na nkura ba ko e dey asma omo na wa ko market akoto ne man nyina ba mo ba na ono ya juwa na ma na o dey akọ ono ope obiska ya me adika hira no ya me adika hira no entu ba ni chen a asma ope bia sika bi ope e be ko yi da man na Asampah
to den lampe kan la arma ko tuma ga ta tumda ambor loto namba de biane ambor bet babun po banang la bet bola ambor le de biane kachel dwami musa nyempa do ka dwam musa mina pa susune zon kana na Asampah sane nyela ngunu to songa ki ye bia imbor biso ibora pa ibora do yin kamna ne songa ya bal bo amala ismala dolo kam ka izan kana manana Asampah sane nyela ngunu songa ka nya fa ko kar kula labna kulma wara Yelemba
amanfo Nana Asampah no o sa ka asandi aka ka ho se enye sika adwuma kwa na oye ono no obon krofo ewo adwuma bebre o pe loto na ma oba ne cha be ma o gara amanfo mo bra loto na bo be ma o Unwa, ope akora, bra, Nana Sampa, Obebuam, Wanyama, Awakora, Fefe. We are Jumadwani Koya, Bates. Say, boys, no. Mupe Bates, I send Mobile Chan, on the last Sampano, or Betcho, sir. Uka Ketim, say, Ebebo, Ebebo. We are scammer, Obani China, Obebuam. We are Gia, Oton Nema, and a Neman, and Cosia, Oba on the nature on a Bebuam. On the last Sampano, also on Casabebre. And your Cassan, Ajumana, open a furniture and no. Opa if Omanokura a yari albani chabebuao. Even yari asabebre Oman or yara his action of bebuao, or yara patais be obebuao, or yara stroke of bebuao. Nana Sampano, ultimate Ajuma on oye. Ajuma bebre, Uba on an inch on the bebuao. If I don't know your mistake, no kuba your bedroom scadi. But Nana Sampaho on the cat as Sampa Eddie Mancrofo. But on any chain, no be I never on board and be uncle ye from mouth. If I know one, Okuba be over Boca, and to Brana Sampa, Nana Sampa, Monsieur Umbro, or no be uncle see. Kuzojin Nana Sampa, Nana Sampa now, in a Aiki, in a Tanya Mutani, in a Tanya Mutani, in Kaso, in Kanason, could instant money, Nana Sampa, she had Tanya Kasam, Kudi, Lasha, in Kasoji, she had Tanyeka, and Kana Chiwoni, in Kasojin and Nasa Tanyeka. Natona Markeso Golden Nasa Beata Meka, Yaya Tanyeka. Nkara Serenka Ba Serenka Tanyeka. Nkara so beds, Chibet Kalojika Tanyoka. Don't she Nasa Pana? She Sarkini. Zojishi. Etanyeka. Dubaka TV na Kona Mashkai. Kadoka Krashi, Shetanyeka. Mbashiba, Nkajiwajika Sakai Bashi. Mbashiba Kajukai Bashi. Zoji na Sampa, Shetanyeka Shokobi Ede Baka.
To, le tebe nang balang. Tebe nang balang. Zama tu so kam le te TV wozo. An boite, nan ban pa TV ma zo ma anto bolma. Ka te difila, a son semne ye shel kan songa. Alle riskrim ma zo, an yen nan ba ne paya. An bolma, anto bolma, ka te difila. And there is a saying that sin is believing. Ne pumpono en chame. Kababang dalil shedin che kababon ma nana asampanga. Ne ka jwele nyere. Ne yan chama kababang dalil shedin che kababon ma nana asampanga.
Okay.
Ne yan wila shira changa. De yan che kababang wunyama zungo dabselo. Ne zungo nyen TV zo yikna.
Okay.
Zungo ka yan che kababang. Ne de ne sal son bien. Ka so obe dabang pulle. Ne dabang tenambel la ke kale. Ne tim de dabang pam.
Okay.
Ne vo biare yina te saandele. Ne zongo ka en cheka babang. Dalil shele din cheka babon manana sampama. Ne yemang le zo ka babon manana sampama. Yeremba.
Nana Sampa, or say dear. Or Baba ya dear Bia, we are so beyond me ye be. Nana Sampano, or Wakasa Babre, Chese. And Yan Gala Yatmano, and Yan Ga, or Baba Yasan, or Baba Yasan Chenia. I'm a Ghana for. I'm outside for Africa for we are for who say on the last Sampano on the last Sampa Bacope. One banning chair, Okuba Bia, ebe how. But my dear, I'm a mom for God of Mount who say, if only say I draw, and a crewra, if you're not Sampa. If you're not, Okuba Biwaboka. My friend, come to the last Sampa. When you succeed, what we need from him. Right now, Nana Sampa want to show you something what they call magic. Magic. He want to do something and Ghana people, African world, and you see what they call magic. If you don't come to Nana Sampa Palace, you will lose. Come to him and you succeed what you need. Bring your problem, bring your spiritual problem to him, and he will help you, and everything will solve. Kuzoji Nana Sampa, she de Tanyeka. Yanzu aka da nake magana ga na san fa dai gora mu da wani abu ne amma ke ce magani ba shi ba wanda dai yi ni do shi nana sai ya wasu ba bibi ama fa gun ne boa. You want to do something, you want to show why you call magic.
I want to show them magic,
and people will see.
I want them to know that there is real man in northern region.
Really?
I want them to see it. There is a saying that seeing is believing. Nana, you are here.
Nana, calm down.
You will see what they call magic.
Nana, calm down. So rather, you want to do something.
Is it not money? You will see what they call money today.
Nana, I want to buy a car.
Don't worry, my brother. Don't worry. I want you to see and believe that there is a real man in northern region.
Hey,
Cameraman, come closer. Cameraman, come closer.
Nana Sampa.
Everybody's watching me. Cameraman, come closer.
Nana Sampa.
What is inside?
Nana Sampa.
What is inside
Nana Sampa. Hey, I'm a phone. Bibiani. Hey, Nana Sampa.
Inside there.
Bibiani. Hey, Nana.
I want them to see how they charm money.
Nana.
How they do physical cash.
Nana.
What they call money.
Nana.
What is inside the box?
Nothing. Nana. Hey,
check very well. Check very well. Check very well.
Hey, Nana Sampa. Nana Sampa. Nana Sampa. Let's stop.
Check very well. Check very well, my brothers and sisters. Check very well.
No, okay. Hey,
I want them to see what they call money today.
Oh, baby, Asancheni. Also by instant money. Instant money. Sika Ghana from here. You don't number. We are here. Brown chain. Nana. Hey, milk cow. You never Nana.
Is it no money you need?
Yeah.
I want you to see what they call money today.
Okay, Nana, I want to see. Show me money.
Oh, mami water, abena akoswa, o yani obaya, o kukurku, o kakarka, o hiri o patapa, lambon lanza, o sunu o bile, o kitiku, o gre, nam dadesu, o sakara bofo, o piafo, nema dade nam dadesu. Gabeku walta, pulpun karkumado, so karkumado, agba, walo katapa, zinyargo, zoda kuzovre, dade kuzovriano, sakarne fanya. Ma for jerfo, so miso for jerfo, o hindu kabacha, aza kabacha, people say kancham la kamile. Kabacha, take this thing.
Nana,
hit it.
Nana,
hit it. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
I should
hit it. Hit it 3 times.
Nana,
hit it. 1.
Nana,
hit it.
I'll not die.
Hit it.
I'll not die.
Don't be afraid. Hit it.
Nana,
hit it.
Nana,
hit it.
Please, I don't want to die.
Hit it. 3. I want you people to see what they call money today. Money is nothing. Come to me and succeed your life. This, if you don't have money, you are not someone in Ghana here. Even the whole world. If you have money, they will respect you.
Nana, calm down.
People will respect you.
Nana, calm down. Here's something.
I want them to know that there's a real man in Ghana.
Nana, here's something. Last time, no, I have my wife. Some guy, no, he bring his car. Come on, he take my wife go.
Don't worry. Money there,
I won't buy car. I won't buy car.
Money there, you get it.
Okay.
Money there, you get it.
Okay, I hear.
Tim?
Hey.
Bafo, Jerfo, so miso for Jerfo. O Hindu kabacha, aza kabacha. Mami wata. Abina akosua, o yani obaya. O kukurku, o kakaraka. O hini, o patapa, lambon, lanza. O sunu, o bule, o kitiku, o gre. Namda desu.
Nane.
Alizine.
Offre.
Cameraman, come closer.
Offre.
Cameraman, come closer.
Nana.
Come closer, cameraman. Come closer. Cameraman, come closer. I want to show them physical cash. What they call money today.
Nana say,
I want them to know what they call money today.
Okay, Nana.
I want to show them
Nana,
a real cash.
Nana, I want to show
a physical cash.
Nana, I want to buy a car. I want to buy a car.
O yani obaya, o kuruku, o kakarka, o hini o patapa, la ambon, la anza, o sunu o bule, o kitiku, o grenadadis.
No.
Jerfo, so me so for Jerfo. O hinu kabacha, azama kabacha. Don't disgrace me, kabacha. Don't disgrace me, kabacha. Don't disgrace me, kabacha. Mami water. Don't disgrace me, Mami water. I want them to know me very well.
Hey.
What they call money today.
Okay, Nana.
Mami water, don't disgrace me.
Okay, Nana.
What is this,
Nana?
What is this?
Let us see.
Euros. Dollars. What is this? What is this?
Matoka.
What is this?
Euro. Nana.
What is this?
Nana,
that's real money.
Nana,
that is real money.
Nana, so you are saying that this money is for me.
That is, it's for you, all for you. I just want people to believe and know who I am. That is physical speech. Check it very well. Check it very well. That is physical speech. That is heroes. Those in Italy. Don't waste your time and go to someone. Just come to me. Come to Nana Asampa. Come to Nana Asampa and see your real action. This is physical money.
Dollars, US dollars. Where are you?
Check it very well.
Nana Asampa.
This is real cash. Nana, this is real cash.
Let's get it.
Check it very well.
Nana,
check it very well.
I want to know which money is this.
That is pounds.
Nana, this
look at the money very well. That is pounds. I want people to see and believe that
pounds.
There is real man in northern region here.
That is
check it very well. This is my first time coming live on video. Check it very well. Coming live on TV show. All this physical cash.
God bless you. You
take it. I want you to bless in there.
Nana. You are the first and you are the last.
All is physical cash. Check it very well.
Nana.
Check it.
I believe in you, Nana.
Check it.
Okay.
Check it well.
Nana.
My brother, check it very well. All is physical cash.
Okay.
Check it.
Nana.
Check it very well.
Physical.
Check it.
Okay.
Check it.
Nana.
Check it.
Benny for the next time, where is safer?
Check it very well.
Where is safer?
Check it very well. My brothers and sisters. Don't waste your time to go to someone.
Safer. Nana.
Don't waste your time.
Nana.
Don't waste your time, my brothers and sisters. This is my first time coming live on TV. This is my first time.
Nana.
Call me on this number on your screen. Call me.
Number one.
On this number on your screen.
Nana Asampa. On your first and on your last.
This is physical cash.
Nana Asampa.
This is physical cash.
On your Asampa.
Check it very well. Check it very well.
Asampa.
Check it very well.
Check it very well. Nana Sikanye.
Check it very well.
Hey, where is Sika?
Check it very well.
I'm on for Ghana for Nana
dollars.
Nana,
check it very well.
Where are you group?
Check it very well.
Sika. Nana,
check it very well. Check it very well.
Nana, so I can open
all
this.
Real cash.
I can open it.
You can open it.
Nana, do give me a chance.
You can open it.
Hey,
open it.
See,
I want people to see them. That
Europe. If you are Italy,
check it very well.
Come to Nana Asampa. See money. Oh, Nana,
check it very well.
I bless. Oh, Nana.
I want you to know that there is a real man in another region.
Hey, Nana.
Check it.
Nana, calm down.
Check it very well.
Ghanaians, outsiders, Africans, come to Nana Asampa. He's the last stop. He's the first stop. Come to him. See money. Euro, pounds, safer,
dollars.
Even if you are in Benin, come to Nana Asampa. Nana Asampa, you are the first and you are the last.
Don't worry, my brother. Don't worry.
Nana Asampa. So I want you to promise me this money. I should take it.
You just take it. I want you to start spending it here. Tomorrow, me and you will go so that you will buy a car before you left your place.
I want to explain some story for you. Do you see today? The guy who take my wife, I'll go and take my wife back.
Don't worry.
For tomorrow I'll buy it.
Don't worry.
I get your man.
Don't worry.
He is the first and he's the last. Nana Asampa, look at money. Mufesika, kudi l'argent. Mufesika. Ghana for Mupetiabe, Mumpuna Nasapa, Hono, Nana Asampa.
Don't worry.
Now go there.
I want you to come back here and give me the thanks.
Right.
I want you to give the thanks to the boss.
I see, person me here, me fasika way, and from coffee.
Some people are wasting their time going to wrong peoples.
It's true.
Going to wrong people.
It's true.
A real man is here.
It's true.
Just come to Nana Asampa and benefit what you want.
Nana Asampa, God bless you.
Come to Nana Asampa.
God
call me on the number you see in your screen.
Okay.
Come to Nana Asampa.
Muka TV no so. Kutubaka TV na kwa number Nana Asampa. 54 30. Muka TV no so Nana Asampa ni number na daso. Call him right now for your help, for your spiritual help. For your spiritual inside money. If you need little number, come to Nana Asampa. He's the number one. Munti Dino. Hear the name, Nana Asampa. Asante people. The Rome of war. The Gamba Willia, Wumia Wilman Nana Asampa. Munier Yamale. Munya na. Naso Munya Yamale. Or you not be number. Abacado Sade. Antifi. Nana Asampa. Now on Sawalara. So
the Bamba. Don't do any. Dunia zaka yaron izanye din nyesham an bor laare de wesa tan in chamde nim fo yoy ma sane nim fo yo san ko te fa kamna man nana san pasane kalin yele mba gilma bo elati me ba dale mu kanata sa kalin yele kamna dinyela biyarme abora songsem apa amba doara kamna nana san pasane doro kam nuto table loto namba ka abora two direct nyela wonde songa ka nyela loto namba ma kolma namba shanga an lira ice cream zo kolma ka te difila da banda alale nyama tende difila ma na on ga faranya son samsane mba so de ka chajira mba dere ben shaw abin dara ka anda kan san songa ame kanan sane aminin biyen chang te daban dara ma de pala en sang la artama abaya so kam yana mun le ma son sam kam ka bora nyimpa ndana sampa nyala wonde songa
on ku yare ya ba nana sampa ne ku yare ya ba ko yare ya ma man pa man lewa la arlama nana sampa na sun yare ya mangale on ye nana sampa ma kam wasalam bala da bamba kam wasal ko yare ma nana sampa mun ya mangale tisi sa shamo de pa wona so kare munye number 1 munye ba munye pi munye ba agu nana sampa o na shata ma o na on saba lara o chega maya la se ko le
l'arma ndoe ma vama
on fa bo
van zacha
nana sampa so san chang
van l'arma zacha
ni to bole
van l'arma zacha
nana sampa o warama luya
van l'arma zacha
la o
van zacha
nana yamin shiraw
van l'arma zacha
yamin shiraw
o antonia
papazuoi wogul kuliya buwalambiya mun kurka cendere shombi bukali kulkul chibaran ko kusudom galaman na yel shomwa jonda del sulil til zamba shirni mo kundi suloi so wogul kuliya kan kampar بولنا كتم تغلي بكري دلنا دبل بلا صوب بولنا يندم لبي بكري يكون يدعل كنت بقدر بيو دلا بوم من دل بيو نتبل نتم دل بيو ولا عم بيسكولي